In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export, download, and view attachments in Salesforce. To get started, open Salesforce in your browser and sign in using your own Salesforce credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main Salesforce environment, where you can access the records that store files and attachments. If you work with multiple tabs or apps in Salesforce, just make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing. Next, open the record that contains the attachment you want to access. This could be an account, contact, lead, opportunity, case, or a custom object, depending on how your organization uses Salesforce. The key here is simply to navigate to the specific record where the file was originally uploaded. If needed, you can use Salesforce Search or your recent records list to find it more quickly. Once you're inside the record, look for the section where attachments are stored. In most modern Salesforce setups, this will usually appear as files. In older Salesforce layouts, you may instead see notes and attachments. The exact label can vary depending on your company's Salesforce configuration, but you're looking for the area where uploaded documents, images, PDFs, and other files are kept. After you find the correct section, click the file name of the attachment you want to open. This allows you to view the file directly in Salesforce. For example, you may be able to preview documents, view images, open PDFs, or review other uploaded files without leaving the platform. This is helpful if you just want to confirm the contents before saving anything to your computer. If you want to download the attachment, start by opening the file preview. Once the preview is on screen, look for the download option and click it. Salesforce will then prompt the file to download, and you can save it to your computer in your preferred location. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a folder you'll remember so it's easy to find later. That's the full process for viewing and downloading attachments in Salesforce. The most important thing is to open the correct record first, locate the files or notes and attachments area, and then either preview the file or download it from the preview window. If a file doesn't open right away, give Salesforce a moment to load, especially with larger documents, and that's it. You now know how to access attachments in Salesforce quickly and efficiently.